Brilliant. Oh, well, welcome. Join me. I am in the kayak cage of Cardiff International Whitewater Centre at the moment. It was really disgusting until about 15 minutes ago, so I thought, I tell you what, plan A was to go for a bit of a run or up into the mountains. Weather was minging. I was like, I'll come down and have a paddle. It's just gotten really nice. So what I'm doing at the moment is just setting a boat up that I'm going to borrow. Kindly enough, they've let me borrow it. And yeah, gonna get out into the water, do a few laps, and kind of have a bit of fun, really. First time I've paddled here in quite a while. I did used to work here full time. I still do the odd bit of freelance work for them, sort of raft guiding and coaching and things like that. But yeah, let's get out in the water, see how it is. Trying this boat out. I've never paddled it before, but it does look quite small and fun. So yeah, I just headed up for my first lap on the course. One of the good things here at Cardiff, they've got a nice little escalator taking you up to the top of the course. The course today is pumping at 8 cubics, that's 8 cubic meters of water a second going down the course, about 8 tons of water. And it's from this pump house behind us. There's 4 big screw pumps pumping the water up to the top of the course. So we'll poke our heads and have a little look on the way. Yeah, and then just gonna go for a couple of laps down the white water. Oh, it's gotten hot now. I was not expecting it to be as nice as this. Whew, I'm sweating. So underneath there, that's where the 4 pumps are, pumping the water down. What I'm going to do here is just, yeah, smash down on this first lap, nice and quick and easy, just for a bit of a warm up, and then probably just go for a bit of a play from there, try and throw a couple of tailies, have a bit of a surf, all those sort of fun things. First lap, nice and easy. Yeah. Oh, lovely. Sun's out, guns out. What more do you want? Have another go at that, trying to grind down that outside wall. Oh, I'm straight off! Went for the combo and missed. You get quite a few different types of hazards on a river, so this is what we call a stopper. The reason it's called a stopper is you've got this white water here circulating back upstream, which means in something big and buoyant like this kayak, if I go into it, I'm going to kind of get caught in it. You know, I can use that to play around in a kayak, but if it was quite a bit bigger, it'd be hard for me to get back out with it. I'm currently being held in by that water recirculating. This feature up here is more of a wave, so it's not holding me in. I have to work quite hard to stay in it and surf back and forth along it. Oh, I've never actually paddled this boat before. It's the Waka Skuxx. So it's like quite high volume front end, a bit like a creaker, so it's really comfortable to be in, and the nose pops up and over any rapids. A little narrow little back end, and it's got some very aggressive, what you call rails, so like edges to the kayak. So carving down the rapids and on those waves is brilliant. Having a small little volume, low volume, so not much plastic back there, means you can spin and turn it real nice and easy. Oh, it's fun, this thing. Alright, we're going to see if I can get this set up for this next little drop. Yeah, something we're looking to do a lot with kayaking is keeping the front of the kayak up nice and high and out the water. Just because every rapid we plough through, our speed decreases, and speed on white water is our friend. We want to be going faster than the water's moving, and that way then we can maintain a level control. So on this run, this last section here, that's what I'm trying to do. Just show you, keeping the nose nice and high and dry all the way through. Keep my speed, keep my momentum. Lovely. Well, that is CIWW, Cardiff International Whitewater Centre. Yeah, running an 8 Q-mix. It does go up to 10. It does go down to 4 and a 6 as well, which are real nice sort of introductory levels. But yeah, it was a good little spin today. Thanks for joining me on that one. I definitely need to think about getting one of these though. This is very fast and very fun. Awesome. See you next time.